Hello, we are two developers from Vertun. This is
Sasha.
and I'm Alex.
This is Devlog, thank you, and we're gonna talk about the current development of the game Overgrown. It's a co-op player, that's how you call it, right?
Yeah, it's a co-op side-scroller.
Yes, and what's...
The whole purpose with the game
Yeah.
is to progress through it by solving puzzles. So it's not your standard side-scroller where you just
Killing
run
enemies.
and kill enemies to get to the end goal as fast as possible. Sure, you can try to get there as fast as possible, but there's gonna be puzzles to get through instead.
Yeah, and you have to solve them together, and the whole main thing is that you like have fun solving puzzles together. So
As two
As
different
two, yeah.
kinds of heroes.
yes, the first one, if I can take that.
Yeah.
The first one is a ranged hero, meaning it will have some kind of either arrows or gun or just throw rocks or sticks. We are in the currently trying to figure out which is going to be which. Personally, I want rocks.
And our shield hero, which we think is gonna have either a shield or maybe a door, because that might be fun.
A door. I vote
yes.
for a door.
I know.
Yeah.
So the actual stuff we use to create this game is Unity. Oh, well, I use Unity.
I use Photoshop.
You use
Oh, and I am the animator, graphic designer of this shield.
One of our-
We have 3, and at least I am in charge of doing the animations for the shield hero.
Yeah, and I'm the programmer who's mostly in charge of the menu and later some physics-based stuff, which we're gonna try and develop together, me and the other programmers. You also use the brush tool when
Yeah,
you.
I'm going to use some brush tools.
You've already used a brush. That's
Yeah,
what
I've
I
used
meant.
one. I've used one, number 1.
We're just saying what we've used now.
Yeah, true, but
So-
I'm going to use a
Yeah.
few more.
Well, I use mostly Unity stuff. I haven't actually gone out and done anything else. Well, I did. No, actually, yeah. And stuff we have made so far. I have made the menu, which I will pop up here with editing later. I've also done the options and credits menu, which are both just small right now. There's not anything in there. I've also made the character select, which you can kind of select the characters. It's not fully done yet, but the main menu is nearly 100%, apart from the load game feature. And you have done...
I've done the start of the walking animations, which I will also try to put in this, so you can maybe not
we'll
here.
try to put them here. And then you also made
I made a concept art.
concept art
for our
which
characters.
is super pretty. I will put it up here, even enlarge it a bit maybe. That's kind of what we've done so far, or at least I can't say for all of our group. We've done pretty much a lot. Most of the texture things in the menus that you saw were made by programming by one of our other programmers called Robin. I mostly did the base and the actual clicking stuff. When you actually click a button, it goes to the next scene and stuff. Well, some more stuff about the game is, we hope to make it so that both heroes are dependable and doesn't just stand around and having a boring time.
That's really something.
That's the main risk we are gonna encounter, and
great.
we
Talk
gotta
about
work
risks.
it. We gotta work around it. Other risks are like the animations might not try and figure out a way to do that quickly, while still, because we have 2 weeks. Well, 2 weeks is kind of a lot, but we have a lot of stuff to
Joel. If we're gonna talk about a bit of a problem, it's not really a problem, but I face some difficulties making this shield hero walk.
Oh yeah, because his not turned the normal way towards the camera. It's like a side slash front.
Yeah.
So it's not the same as the other character because we're gonna have two different ways of portraying them. The other character is just gonna be basically from the side. Yeah, like there. While the other hero is more gonna be like this, or like what you do.
Yeah, kind of like that, and that makes it really hard because you really have to think all the time how your legs moves. It's hard.
Another thing is just basically like making these two heroes look like they're from the same universe, they're drawn in the same style, because it's two different animators, sure, and they both like they have to talk a lot to each other to accomplish this goal.
We have like the basic of how the character is gonna look like, and it's always possible to change. We have the basic of colors as well, as you will see, and you have already seen in the picture that will be shown. So you will see that it's not typically a normal human being, it's something white and big black eyes. That's because we didn't want to have...
And figuring out the scales between the two heroes is also like, should we have them to both scale and stuff like that. We've pretty much decided on having the shield hero a bit bigger, not too much bigger. Other features that we're gonna have is like that. Well, the shield hero is gonna be able to launch the other player across like distance that's longer than it's just jumping. It will also be able to deflect its projectiles. So yeah.
We have a lot to work on.
And this was Devlog 1. Hope you were satisfied. If we missed anything, please comment down below.
Yes.
And subscribe if you want to know more about the
Overgrown.
how Overgrown proceeds and how it goes.